Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be making a quick and simple Greek chickpea salad and adding one of my favorite store-bought balsamic dressing. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. To see how I put this simple Greek salad together, keep on watching. So what I have here are some basic ingredients that I will be using today to make this Greek salad. Like all my previous videos, the ingredients will be listed down below in the description bar. The very first thing I'm going to be doing is draining and rinsing my chickpea and set it aside while I prep my tomatoes, cucumber, onions, and olives. Add all the prepared ingredients in a large bowl, top with feta cheese and add your desired amount of dressing, toss well and enjoy. And there you have it guys, a real quick and easy Greek chickpea salad. This can be served on its own or have as a side with steaks, some salmon, or even some grilled chicken. If you enjoyed this video, please do leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing so you will not miss my next upload. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye guys.